everyone, welcome to my channel The Hungry Bazaar, which is an online shopping channel. And today I came to visit one outlet called Aaryasthali, and this is an exclusive outlet of handicrafts item, both wholesale and retail you'll get here. And this comes in a street called Uttaradhi, Mutt Road, opposite Bank of Maharashtra, Shankarpuram, Bangalore. And the landmark for this place is National College. They are there in Google Maps also, so you can just check in Google Maps and you'll reach the outlet also. This is the outlet, you can just have a look. Very big, very nice, exclusive handicrafts products you'll get here. Both wholesale and retail is there. Number is on video screen. If you want to purchase any of their products, if you want to know the details, you can just WhatsApp them. Worldwide delivery will be there. Delivery charges will be there. More than I think 2,000 products are here. All the details is in description below. Google Maps, everything is there. So if you want to reach, you can just check the Google Maps and you'll reach a very nice place. And retail is also there. If you want to purchase single piece, 2 piece, 10 piece, however you can purchase. I'm introducing you to the owner of this place. Her name is Mrs.Deepika Bhansali, Jain. Hi ma'am, welcome to the show. Ma'am, tell me something about the studio. What and all you get over here?
Hi everybody. So this is basically, we are from Aaryasthali, which is like the name of Aaryasthali is from the land of Aryans, that is North Indians.
Okay.
So the reason for starting this platform is bringing different artistic handcrafted products here under one single roof. Okay. We started it 4 years back.
Okay.
Initially we did a test marketing with way of exhibitions, and now 2 years back we opened up this wholesale store. Though yes, it is a wholesale, but we got a very good response from the neighbors nearby, and so we have started with the retail also.
Minimum how much they have to purchase, ma'am, like for online?
There is no minimum purchasing value.
Okay.
You can buy a product what
Single
50
piece
rupees also. So
okay.
That is not an issue. Just that the shipping charges will have to be borne.
Alright ma'am. Would you like to give a tour of your studio, ma'am?
So starting and promoting a legacy of 50 years into handicraft items.
Okay.
This store is opened up as a wholesale outlet here in Bangalore, first outside of Rajasthan.
Okay.
These are all the manufactured in Rajasthan in our own factory at Jodhpur and Udaipur both.
Okay.
So you have musicians, all hand painting is done on them. So these are wrought iron. So wrought iron musicians, wrought iron articles, tea lights. Like see, such a beautiful piece. So it's a set of 3 for 1875.
Okay.
There are so many different things also. This
Any
is
starting price you want to tell in this, ma'am? Lowest to what till what it goes?
In wrought iron, we start with from 100 rupees onwards.
Okay.
So we have stuff for that.
Okay.
So this beautiful piece is only for 380 rupees. See this beautiful piece.
Very
See
nice.
the workmanship.
Amazing.
And the quality, we don't compromise on the quality.
Okay.
These are gold plated stuff. The jewelry is gold plated with the American diamond. Then you have resin product.
Okay.
So this is not the China made, guys. This is all Indian made in our own factory. 3-layered resin product.
Okay.
No mixing of it in anything in it.
Okay.
Only resin. See the beauty. This is all handwork.
Okay.
So this color and all, it's not into that, okay, put it in the machine or put it in the mold and that's it. No. Lot of work goes in behind this.
Total customized.
So total customized. See, this is to a 2,400. Would you not like? Yes.
Okay.
Would you not like to have one of them?
Okay.
So see the beauty of them.
Okay.
So we have full range of resin. We also deal, as we said, our aim is to promote handicraft items from all across. To start with, we started with Rajasthan.
Okay.
We have already also introduced few of the South artist work here. See this beautiful. We also deal in wooden handicrafts.
Nice. Very nice.
So this is a wooden, pure wood
Multi-purpose
box.
this is.
Multi-purpose box with tiles in it.
Nice.
You'll have variety. We have lots of tray, utility item for the home.
Okay.
See the beauty of this handmade,
Nice.
wooden, painted.
And these are
idol.
both like you can use for showpiece and
Yes,
to enhance the house.
They can be used both ways. See the Ganeshji carved
Nice, very nice.
by hands. So such beauty we try to bring.
All creative works here.
All creative works, and that is what our endeavor is, to always bring in new style thing. There's small furniture range also out here.
Okay.
Now see this beauty, a lady riding on a bicycle. So it's such
Very
a
nice.
beauty piece.
Very nice.
Available only for 3,500.
This is
A
very
big
reasonable.
piece. Whole idea is to make it affordable for everybody, because ultimately, however much we'll sell, will also benefit the artist out there.
But you have beautiful products.
Thank
no
you
doubt.
so much. So this is all the range in zinc aluminium. Never turns black, never breaks. It will stay for 100, 200 years without
Not silver,
any...
right? This.
No, this is not silver, neither it is white metal.
Okay.
This is aluminium zinc. So
Okay.
never breaks. You can wash it also with surf water.
Here,
No.
man, how many products, ma'am? I think more than 10-20,000 products
It
are
could
there.
be, yeah, and in this store, from our own capacity, we have right now displayed only around 20-30% of our capacity products.
Okay.
A part of my passion, part of my art gallery,
Okay.
my paintings, all original work.
Okay.
None of them copied and none of them also into copies. So I don't
So this
make...
all is your work, man.
This
personal
all
work.
is all my paintings. These are all my original work.
And any price
I
you want
get
to tell, man?
It starts from 1,000 rupees onwards.
Okay.
So as small as the such intricate work, and you'll get it for 1,000 rupees
Okay.
onwards only. So this is what because this is my passion. So this is not for my earning this thing. It's just for the passion.
So
I
in this,
hold
like, your collection keeps getting updated in
yes,
how many days?
it keeps on, as and when I keep on creating, it keeps on getting updated. I have my name in the Guinness Book of World Records also for an art event. So
And do you even customize, ma'am? If people
I do
give-
that.
No.
I do that, and that I feel I take honor into doing that.
Okay.
So I make it as per requirements also.
All right.
So coming back to the decor items, the wall decor and all, we have numerous
Super.
varieties into this thing. All reasonable and affordable art.
Very nice.
Beautiful art. You can see a lot of variety in the wall panels, wall decorations.
Superb. Very
We have
nice.
a beautiful collection of wall clocks as well.
Okay.
So you can see the wall clocks.
Okay. Very nice. Like
And
all
mind you,
vintage.
everything is handmade.
Okay.
No machine made thing.
Alright.
Yes, the molds are used, but then it is the creativity which is required there.
So any people who want for the cafe, restaurant, for house, this all works very nice.
Exactly, it works
Right.
very nice with them. In fact, in Bangalore, few cafes have taken this thing and done the entire interiors with our products.
Okay.
And what they say is like the customers, they also like the vibrancy and the beautiful colorfulness of the product. And you know, when I do conduct art sessions also out
Okay.
here. So my art sessions are for kids, adults, everybody.
Okay.
And when they come here, when those art sessions are conducted, when they see the creativity, they are also inspired by
Yes.
this thing. So that is how it is. Like, I'll show you one thing, how this thing can be developed into art. Now if you see these masks, the
Okay.
wooden mask here,
This one.
the wooden mask out here, or this one,
Yeah.
inspired by this creativity, I created this artwork
Okay. This one.
here.
Nice. Before wind up, I just want to tell that this studio is having beautiful collections of all the handicrafts products. Will highly recommend you people also come to the studio. I'm sure you'll love the collection and you'll become the regular customers. And I'll meet you in another new happening shopping destination. Till then, have a great day.